How to remove update and shutdown restart options on Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. There's no one way to simply remove, so what you can do is open System Management or Computer Management. You'll find this kind of screen. In here on the left side, expand Services and Application. After that, you'll find Services. Click on Services. Then, simply scroll down and search for Windows Update in here. Click on Windows Update, right-click on it or double-click on it. Then you'll find this kind of screen. Startup type, make sure it's disabled. Then, at the top, click on Recovery. In Recovery, make sure first failure is take no action. Then press on Apply at the bottom and press on OK. After you have done that, on the left side, expand Task Scheduler. In here, you'll find all these options. Click on Task Scheduler Library. Then click on Microsoft and expand it. Click on Windows. In here, it will expand and click on Windows Update. Then click on Windows Update. After you have clicked on Windows Update in here, you'll find this kind of screen. At the top, click on Scheduled. After you have clicked on Scheduled, in here at the bottom, or simply right-click on it and click on Disable. After you have disabled it, you can restart your device and you're good to go. This is how to remove update and shutdown restart option on Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.